This lesson idea focuses on close reading for vocabulary. As a comprehension strategy, close reading is used to break down a passage from a longer text. Students analyze the words in the text to draw conclusions about a larger meaning. For this activity, students use a graphic organizer to compile their notes. To get started, students should read the passage a few times, preferably aloud at least once. Begin with a general sense of what the passage is about. Next, have the students write down all of the unfamiliar words or words that are used in an unfamiliar way. Do not cheat this part. Understanding each word is essential to close reading vocabulary. Students should examine word parts. For example, if the word tangible is unfamiliar to the students, they should break down the parts tange and able. This will help them determine the meaning able to be touched. They could also note how the root is also used in the math term tangent, or what it means to go off on a tangent. Then use guiding questions to help students record important words, related words, examples of diction and slang, and mood words. Guiding questions include: what words stand out? How do important words relate? What mood do the words create? Finally, put the pieces together to construct a thesis or draw a conclusion that ties together the vocabulary details from the text. How does the vocabulary in the passage help to convey the purpose, central message, idea, or theme of the larger text? One way to enrich the activity is to incorporate inquiry-based close reading, which encourages the students to generate the questions. For example, students would generate questions like, why does the author use slang in the passage? The process of answering these questions would lead students to the central idea. This process often requires modeling and practice before students are able to do it independently. This activity helps students to build vocabulary in a meaningful way. It also reinforces the process of close reading by showing how a small detail like a word relates to a larger central idea.